Hi guys! Dahil damit ko. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog guys is we're going to safari with my friend. I'm so noisy, oh my god. Where is the sunrise? Where is the sunrise? Huh? Where is the sunrise? Hinanap yung sunrise eh. Hi guys! Andito na kami guys. Ayan. Nakikita nyo naman yung view. Hinihintay namin guys yung sunrise. Aray ka! Guys, we are waiting for sunrise. Aray ko. Guys, you see? Oh my god. You see the view? Oh my god. Natatawa ako sa tanong mo kasi kanina. Aray ko. Sabi mo. Ay, nakakatawa talaga. Aray ko. Guys, you see? You see? Where is the sunrise? Where is the sunrise? Hi guys. Where is the sunrise? I cannot see the sunrise, guys, you know? You see, there is the beach. Guys, if you can see, there is the beach. And this is the sun. As you can see the sun. Oh my god, everywhere is sun. See guys? Oh my god. It's so windy. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh my god. It's, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys, finally guys, the sunrise is there. As you can see guys, see the sunrise. This is the sunrise guys, you see? There is the sunrise. And this is my friend. She's waiting for the sunrise guys, you know? Oh my god. She's waiting for the sunrise. It's very windy today. Oh my god, it's very windy, guys. Oh my god. See the weather. Oh my god, shucks. Hi guys. It's a very long time I didn't do the vlog. My last vlog is last November. Then I just do vlog today. And see the sunrise. Oh my gosh, it's very beautiful, so nice guys. So as you can see guys, you see we're going to have karak and tea and camel ride. We're doing camel ride later, guys. So now we're going to drink chai and tea. Ah no, chai and karak, right? Oh my god, I didn't bring my eyeglasses. Oh my god, I forgot in the car. So this is the view, guys. You see, this is the view. This is the view. Karak din sa akin eh. Hey guys, so we're going now to ride the camel. As you can see guys, those are the camels. So we're going to ride. Okay? And it's not my first time to ride a camel, guys. It's I think third time Oh my god, the camel is very tall. Oh my god, it's so scary. You see, guys, the camel is very tall. The camel is very tall. Oh my god, it's so scary to ride. Ano? Guys, you see the camel? It's so tall. I'm so scared to ride. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. You see?
Yalla. Now, camel is stand up.
I will not fall down.
Hold tight, hold.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so scary. You took already video, ah?
Yes.
Guys, it's so scary. Oh my god. Oh, why you not bring that? Why you not bring? Why you not bring? I'm talking about it before. This one it's big for us, so why you not bring the other one to make video? Maybe my video is not perfect. I want perfect video because I upload in YouTube, you know. If I see that my video is not good, I will not pay. I will not pay you.
You are very big scared.
My video must be perfect, you know, because I will upload in my YouTube, okay?
Okay.
Ano her? Hindi naman ako naligo. Hindi daw kasi ako naligo. Tapos may regla pa ako, lakas na regla ko. Mag-stop ka mamaya, pag-picture tayo. Oo. Brother, why you not bring that? Why you not bring the other one to take video for me? Maybe my video is not okay now. Guys, you see? Oh my god, the sun. Now we are riding a camel. And it's so scary. Oh my god. So we're done. We're done riding a camel. Oh my god, it's so scary. Scary feeling because the camel is very tall, you know. Oh my god. You see, guys? You see? Oh shucks. Guys, nag-sunboarding yung kaibigan ko. Nalaglag siya dun sa baba. Ayoko nang i-try. Natakot ako, guys. Grabe, nalaglag tayo.